Hello. Hello. Hello, everybody. Am I audible? Yep, okay, I am. Cool. Hello. Welcome. Welcome to my new today's streaming plans today. Alright. Obviously, we gotta start off with some drawing or more like a to-do list today. So let me just open that up real quick. Paint. All right, cool. Hey guys, so today I wanted to go back and kind of work on my stream setup. As you can see, um, it looks pretty bad. I don't know about you, but to me this looks horrendous. Like I can't keep it at the top right all the time, and there's a lot of real estate here that I'm not really capitalizing on. You see how I can actually walk around here. See, look. Yeah. And I can uh go upstairs. Yeah. So, I think today I just want to tackle some of these things. Well, add more furniture. I actually wanted to reduce the amount of space I can move things, or oh, now I'm up. Okay. How do I back? Yeah, I just wanted to move things so that I could have this probably like this big. So, one of the big problems with doing this is that chat needs to be up there. Well, that's well, yeah. So one of the problems with oh my god. One of the problems with that is that the chat box that I made in the past actually has a background. So if I were to move the chat box in front of the overlay, it looks kind of weird. It's not like a full thing. Because usually when people do overlays like this, for example, you can you could have it this big, and I'm just talking above the thing I'm playing on, and then the chat is also on top. But I tried to make it I don't know why I tried to make it smaller, but I think when I was playing the Talos principle, I felt like maybe it was a bit too small. I don't know. I was going back on the video, and it looked kind of small to me. So today we'll be working on rearranging some of this stuff, probably make it better. I feel like the background is a bit boring. It's just one color. Um, Probably make some interesting things with the chat box. This has served me well, but maybe I could still create the frame for it, but maybe I want to make it not the background not a hard color, so that it can exist in any program. So yeah, that's what I'll be working on today. So just to write things down to make our agendas more clear. So agenda. Yep. So today we have translucent chat box. I've seen a lot of chat box designs, and some of them are just, like the individual chat itself has like a box for it, and there's not like a hard and fast like area for chat box. Like let's just say this chat box here. Like each chat box, right, has its own box, but like the overall chat window is not bounded by like a square, so to speak. Like you see how this square is kind of like it can only fit on the on one part of my screen, which is oh my god, I can't select it anymore. Which is this side of the screen, right? So to me, I want to be able to like move things around depending on the game I play. So maybe like if there's like important bits on the right side of the screen, I want to move it to the left side, or if there's something on the left side, then I want to move it to the middle or something. I don't know, So that's kind of why I want to move away from like a bounded chat box and move towards a more like, yeah, well, I would say transparent than translucent, so like you can still see, like, because I feel like translucent will make it so that it'll block the background, which I don't really want. So like a transparent. So I'm not sure about the frame. I don't know if I want to do the frame thing. But the like the I do want to like make sure the background is gone. That's like okay. Let's just write that down. So the background of chatbox is Gonzo's. The green part. So that we're clear, okay. And we could design like a frame, possible frame designs maybe. Do some designing on the frames. Alright, I have to go destroy this bot real quick. I mean the spam message. I'm gonna pin it and then delete it. Yep. So going back to this. So that's the one thing. One thing is changing the chat. Other than that, I do want to. What else did I want to do? I already forgot. Yeah. So background of the chat box is gone. Possible frame designs and also the chat individual message box. Yeah. Design. Yeah. So today we're gonna the main part that we're gonna focus on is these chat things. I really wanted to work more on like the user interactions. I felt like the previous user interaction stream, I couldn't really do much, and I've been quite busy recently with a lot of things, so I haven't been able to research. I could continue my researching stuff today, but that'll probably come after we complete these. So these are the main agendas, and then if I'll try to like start looking into socket.io. So I do want to like start moving away from stream setup stuff, because I feel like that has been the topic for the past few weeks now. How long has it been? Like sorry, wait, I forgot to turn on my BGM. Is this too loud now? Hello? think it's okay. Yeah. Cool. So, yeah, I do want to move away from, like, I want to move away from stream setup stuff. But I don't want to move it, like, I want to move away from that and, like, start focusing on other things that are in my list at the bottom here. But, you know, I don't want to move away from it before I give you, like, some things to play with. Like, I know you guys have been collecting some of the points, and I just want to make sure that, you know, before I leave setting up stream stuff, that, you know, some of the, like, there's some features that you're able to play with while I'm doing other things. Phobos Shamudra has 151 fish. Yeah, you know, you need to find a way to spend all them fishes, right? So, yeah, actually, another thing that I wanted to look into was the stream elements bot command. Sorry, the bot messages are not in the stream chat. Like, it's in the it's only in stream. Like, it's in the chat, but it's not on my, like, the chat box is not showing this its own message. So that's something I want to change. But this might be something for the future. Yep. So, cool. These are the things I want to work on today. Some of the things that I would like to update on while I was not, like, between the previous stream and this stream, is that actually I already uploaded the Discord emote for last stream, which is the polar bear on fire, me on fire. So you can use that emote now on the stream. I mean, on the Discord. Cool. Yeah. And also another thing that I worked on, actually right before the start of the stream, is that I made it so that you can now redeem a command. Yes, I wanted to work on this before I started the Talus stream previously, but it didn't work because I didn't have some setup, so I did the remaining setup. So now you guys can redeem a command. Hooray! So I think if you do help. No, wait, no. You do store? Yeah. So if you do store, you can see the available items in the store, or you can go to the link in the chat, and it has one link. I mean, it has one command right now. So all you have to do to redeem it is you do, like, hello? Hello? I think my mic is working now, but let me check. On my stream. Hello? Am I back? Am I audible? Yep, okay, cool. Yep, so now if you type redeem fart, you guys can see what happened. I can't do it because I'm not collecting any of my points, I think. Yeah. I can't do it because I'm broke. You gotta do redeem. The redeem. Yeah. So now you guys can redeem things. If you do like redeem, what? If you do like redeem like that without the first character, you too can make my stream fart. But it costs 3 fish for now. That's what I went with. So you guys can play around with that sound effect. Another thing I actually know, like I found out, was that you can do gambling, which is roulette. So if you do roulette and then you put like the amount you want, like 5, I think that's gambling. I'm pretty sure. I haven't tried it yet, but I think you can gamble your money with that command. Cool. That's all the updates I have from the previous stream to this stream in regards of streaming and updates and stuff. I have a snack today. Phobos won 3 fish in roulette and now has 152 fish. Congratulations. So, yeah. Yeah, you gambled 3 and you got 6 back. So you increased by 3. You didn't get back your 3. You increased by 3. So guys, I want a lot of gambling today. We're all gonna gamble. I mean, I'm not gonna gamble because gambling's bad, but you guys can gamble to your heart's desire. Hakari? What's Hakari? Oh, it's the Jujutsu Kaisen guy. You mean the guy who's like perpetually gambling for his life? Oh. You guys get the roulette. We should all do some roulette. It's just a spin the wheel, and we're not actually using anything to get more thing or lose more things. We're just spinning a roulette, guys, right? Exactly. Yep, so you guys can play around with those. Since the Stream Elements bot is not working in the chat, I think the only justice I can give is that I'll read out every Stream Elements message until I get that fixed. Because for VOD reasons, I guess, like if anybody watches the VOD and they don't know what's going on, then at least when that message comes out, I can read the bot message that comes with it. Yeah. Alright, so in terms of food that I have during stream today, I have coffee bread. I don't know how to show it to you. It's a coffee bread. And I also have a white peach oolong tea latte. Now I forgot that this is a latte and it's nighttime right now, so I hope I'll be able to sleep tonight, but we'll see. I'm gonna take a bite out of the coffee bread. Guys, I think I should also receive points. What do you guys think? I feel like I also need to use points because I can't test the commands. Yep. I'm just gonna... My volume is really soft. Sorry. I accidentally reset the mic to 0 when I muted. Is this okay? My voice. Hello. Okay, cool. My throat feels a bit dry today, so I'll be drinking a lot. So hopefully I can be talking throughout this stream. So cool. All right, let's get into it. So I will be refreshing the stream chat a lot because unfortunately I'll have to edit things, and every time I save, it just blows up. Yeah. Like it just like disappears. It's just like disappear, you know, like that Marvel Rivals character. Okay, so my stream chat. So is there a way I can... Let's see. Maybe if I can add a background, secondary text shadow. And then... Maybe I should share this. Okay, so... Let me go to the... Close that. Open my browser. Is this the correct browser? Hopefully this is the correct browser. Yep, cool. I still don't know why my... I don't know why my... Like, the sizing of my screen capture is, like, so big compared to the actual screen. Like, there's, like, all this, like, empty space here that I can't get rid of. But, yeah, anyways. I'll just have to deal with the confusion for now. I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's because of the... You see, it's like... Oh, it's because I put the edge. Oh, I get it now, I think. Okay. Just to make sure that I'm not, like, completely showing all the information, because I don't know what is secretive. Yep. Custom font. Okay, no. Let's see, line spacing. Okay. Like, I think the thing that we want is like a text shadow. You know? A text shadow. But I just need to... Wait, I can... Ignore chatters will be shown in this widget. Oh! I think I fixed it. I think now we can see stream elements in chat if I did that. Background color. Okay, we don't want a background color. Okay, theme. Dark chat. White chat. Checker chat. Okay. See, this is what we don't want. We don't want this. We don't want this, okay? We want custom chat. Custom chat background color is nothing. Okay, which is correct. Yep, it's empty. But now I want the text. Text stroke. Bullet point. Italicized. Okay, word spacing. Line height. Center widget. Okay, let's say we just get rid of this for now. So I'm just gonna delete that. Okay, let me save it. Okay, so now if I type something new, hello. Okay. My text chat says hello. Okay, so because this is size is very bad, I'm gonna have to open this more. Oh my god, look at my little chat. Okay. So that's my chat. Yippee. Okay. Now message fade after 30 seconds. We don't want that. Can we put like a tree? Width is 1980. Height is. Yep. Let's go with that. Okay, damn, this is too big. Okay. Cool. So now I can move this. Oh, I can save this. Save. Yep. We're getting somewhere, I think. Save. Maybe I have to get the link again. Alright, let me try. Hi. Okay. Cool. Yep. That's all good and dandy. I do want to see if I can do like a stream elements, a chat design. Yeah, you see like, okay, let me show you a picture. Maybe the picture will be better. You see how like these chats, they have like chat angle, font, event. You know, like they have like the boxes itself that like that's it. You know, you don't have like a bounded area around it. You know, yeah. But I need to find a way to do that for Stream Elements. Unless Stream Elements doesn't have, like, doesn't support that. Twitch chatbot. So how are you guys throughout this week so far? I've had a pretty bad first 2 days. I was pretty backed up with work to do and stuff. But I think today was like a big sigh of relief for me. Like a lot of the work that I was doing was kind of like not my problem anymore. So like it's not like I don't have to do that work anymore, and I'm much happier now. I can do other things that I'm more familiar with. I felt like I was kind of like thrown under the bus, because suddenly like the work, like the task that people wanted me to do was, you know, really difficult. Like, it's not difficult, it's just that I didn't know how to do it, and nobody helped me in helping me figure out how to do it. And then I was just kind of like, oh, the chat window is... Sorry about that. You're a bit sick. Mostly okay. Still a little sick, but I'm almost okay. That's great. Wait, haven't you been sick since like since last week? That's a really long time. Have you been taking like medicine, or like have you gone and seen the doctor or something? Usually that's what I mean. Like overloading yourself with medicine is not usually the best idea, because you know, like your liver, and you have to process all that drugs and stuff. But yeah, I haven't been sleeping well. Lol. That's not a lol, guys. That's not a lol. No doctor, just lots of eep. I mean, that's good. I think that sleeping is really like a medicine for you, unless like the virus is like unbeatable, then you know, like it's not that good for you. But sleeping a lot helps. You know, you don't have to like overstress your body with like redundant like staying awake, blinking, moving your body. You know, like your body can just focus on like getting better. I don't actually remember what kind of like how sick are you again? Are you like bedridden sick, or are you kind of like just like sniffling, like a cold? I mean, it is change of seasons, right, for a lot of people now. I think that's a reason for people to be prone to more getting sick. Yeah, like, you know, the winds are changing, and like the things are going on outside and inside your body, and outside the world environment, inside your body environment. You know, like everything's going wackos. It's probably because of the season change. Yeah. All right. I think my chat is a bit too big, so let me just try to make it smaller. My throat and my nose. Yeah. Oh, you have like sniffles and sneezes, huh? All right, let's restart this chat again. I'm sorry, my chat is gonna look completely homeless throughout this stream because I'm gonna keep refreshing the chat, unfortunately. Let me just send a chat so that it doesn't look too homeless. Hi, Polar. Keep up the good work. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so we kind of got the first thing done, which is the background of the chat is gone. So I'm just gonna mark that on my paint. Possible frame designs. Okay, I think I want to do the individual box design instead of a frame, because the frame would be not very versatile in other streams. I feel like boxes can be, you know, thrown anywhere around my stream and it would possibly make sense. Custom widget. Stream elements custom widget. Okay, maybe it's this. One of the coolest things about the blah blah. Yep, live chat. Okay. Yep, this one. A box layout. A box chat. Let's see how this guy did it. Or is it just like an entire stream elements plugin or something? Box chat by Kocha. Alright, let's see what this guy's doing. Box animation. Oh. Settings? Okay. Let's see the test message. Okay. My name is Bill and I'm here to serve. Okay. How does he do this? Horizontal name position. How does he do this? Typography. Okay. Let's try like a. That's what he's doing here. Because I want to test. Okay, so that's the font color, message background. Oh, he must be doing some box chat. I swear to God, this guy's using some like. He's probably using a script. Okay. Let's see if we can yoink the script. Open editor. Yep, here, I think. Yeah. Yep. Okay, so he's using a script to deal with that. Okay, let's see if we can. Let's see what we can add to this. Maybe add a little more fun things to it. So this is the CSS, and I think this is the box. Okay, And these are the fields. Okay. Data. Icon color. Okay, you know what? Let's just try to do a simple one first. So, what is this? Nickname color. Nickname color. Nickname background color. Okay. So I don't want to I don't like the way that this is working, because this one, the actual chat, uses your actual Twitch thing, but this one doesn't. So let me see if I can. Engagement, alert box, stream tools, text, labels, engagement. Oh, I forgot how to add the chat box. Alright, let's see. Bot counter. What is that? Labels, subscribers, followers, bits, tips, charity settings, stream tools, or stream chat. Okay, so this is my stream chat. Okay. Text settings. So what's the difference? How do I put my stream chat into the box chat? So the settings here. How do I access the settings? Yeah, how do I access the JSON of a layer? How to access HTML stream elements. Okay, nope, this is already in the nitty gritty. New overlay plus alert box. Custom widget. Okay. It's a custom widget. So this custom widget has custom widget. Settings, stream elements, center widget, text shadow. Wait, let me try something. Test. Okay, so this thing's not popping up. So even if I try to use this, how do I set it up? First, connect your streaming platform with Stream Elements and then click on the links below. You can check out the widgets by visiting the widgets tab on your all-in-one rotator. Hmm. Border down. So the problem I have now is that I'm trying to use a custom widget that somebody else created, but it's not receiving my Twitch messages, and I don't know how to connect my script Cloudflare. Sorry, Cloudflare. Is it not working because Cloudflare is down? Is that why? Is that why? Data. Okay, event limit 5. Include fluff. How am I supposed to connect this? How am I supposed to connect this? Settings 5. Stream elements. Other bot. Okay. It's just stream elements. Okay. Wait, no, I don't want any ignored users. Okay, let's just keep the bot there. Okay. Animation in, out, test message. Okay, that's the test message. And then how do I connect this to my actual chat? Like, I need to send this information to here, but I don't know how. Maybe I can search up this person, Kocha. Stream elements box chat. Okay. Well then. Let's see. I wish to customize login while and all the increase the font size. I only want the username to have a background, not the text itself. Make the text appear. Here's what I got by changing the HTML code. Am I doing something wrong? Top 10 custom widgets. To use, first connect your streaming platform. Stream elements and click on the links below. You can check out by the overlays gallery. Okay. All-in-one rotator. Build custom widgets using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. Your chat in real time. Settings, stream elements. How to use Kocha stream elements chat box. Excuse me. Thank you. Let's see. Stream elements custom widget chat. Let's see. Let's see if that works. It's a 10-minute video. Okay, cool. So for me to do this, I should be able to open this editor and then go to Stream Elements GitHub, and they should give me some sample code widgets, custom chat. Alright. So this is where we need to change things, so I'll be ignoring that for now. Let's go to the JS. Wait, no, let's go to the MD. Okay, let's see what the MD says. Custom chat widget. Amazing. Excellent documentation, guys. Alright, JSON. Come on, give me something. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think this is where widget.json. Is that what I need? Is this what I need? Okay. JSON. Howdy, my name is Bill and I'm here to serve. Okay. So this guy made his own custom JSON file, but I should be able to yoink. No, but this doesn't matter though, because this is just the one to relate to the thing or something. Cloudflare Ajax Blue Imp 12 point. Is that what this is? 2.12. What am I saying? 2.12. Main container. It's the same. It's the same. Okay. So why isn't this chat working. Cumulative goal. Let's see. JSON, JavaScript. Bounce in. Nickname. Yep. So this is on receive event. If it's a widget button. Okay. Oh, okay, so this is the test message. Delete message. Attach emotes, HTML, encode, add message. Okay. Does he have this or not? He should have it. Yeah. Wait, if what message? Attach emotes, HTML encode, add. Yeah. I don't know why it's not working. Like if I just, let's see, like if I just use this as my browser, like does it work? The chat 2.0. Okay, and then I'll give it that. Okay, let's see if this works. Hello. Okay, it didn't work. And back to the video, I guess. I don't. What did you miss? Not much. Not much at all, actually. I'm trying to figure out. So I removed the chat frame, so now it looks naked. It looks empty. But I'm trying to add something that looks like this now, which is that. If you can see. Yeah. So I want to do like something like this, so it doesn't look weird that there's nothing there. Like, you know, you have like the name, and then you also have like the oh, so zoomed in, the name and the message. But right now it works, but it's not like getting the information from my chat room. And now I'm just trying to figure out why by watching this video. Yeah. But how do I add? Okay. Whoa, this person's OBS looks insane. Wow. I think it's better if I just start from scratch. I don't know. Your Wi-Fi broke? Curse you, telecom services. I don't know what kind of telecom service, but curse you, telecommunications. Okay, so now I'm just gonna copy this template code here, widget.js, right? So this goes to the JS here. It's Cloudflare. Yeah, you know what? Let's just blame everything on Cloudflare. Guys, yo, Cloudflare. That one guy who came in. I don't know if you guys saw on Twitter, but like, there's this one guy who just started working at Cloudflare, and then this whole debacle happened. Like, I blame that guy. He broke into Cloudflare just to do this. So let's go here. Alright, so you know what? Actually, CSS is something that I wanted to learn anyways while doing like this whole streaming thing. So it's kind of good that we're gonna do some of that. And HTML, JSON, JS, JSON, fields, JS. Is fields the JSON? It is, right? Yeah, okay. So copy that. So I plan to learn like HTML because it sounds like, to me, like HTML for my whole life is kind of like, I'm sorry to say it, but like it seems much simpler than other programming fields. I'm sorry, that's controversial. Pretty sure that's controversial, but you know, isn't HTML not a language? It is a language. But HTML comes in a package of 3. So like right here. Wait. Like right here. So every time you see HTML, you'll learn, like every time people say like, oh, learn some HTML and blah 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 blah, like they'll just be like, okay, HTML is you put like the arrow angular bracket and then div, and then they'll teach you like anchors, and then teach you like paragraphs, and then they'll teach you like script, and then they'll teach you how to add images to your HTML. And it's very boring. Like, I have to say, like, if you look at a raw HTML file, let's go to here, for example, and then we go here, and let's say we look at this, like, let's try to look at one thing in particular. So if we look at these, okay, everything in this website is a script. It's a very boring language to learn, because you'll learn like the most basic thing, like how to format like the most bare bones website. So it just like, this is the header, this is the header, this is like the main contents, and in the main contents there is GitHub, Stream Elements, and then add the children of the link. This one, add the children of the link. Then put some video suggestions. But the actual logic to like add these things is in the JavaScript. So this JavaScript is like the brains, right? So HTML is like the composition, right? So HTML is like a template. So let's say for a template for a human, it's like head, body, 2 arms, 2 legs. CSS is like where you specify like, okay, the arms are 170 centimeters long. The legs are 20 centimeters long. The head is a round shape. So this is where you like get into like the designing of the thing. So like, you know, when you see like those fancy text like like these, you see these, like these are all CSS. Like, you know, like you see these rounded corners here, and like this section is you know, like all the design of like how it looks, that's CSS. And then like JavaScript is when like you click a button and something happens, right? So that's like the brain, right? So HTML by itself, to me, is so, it's not something that you need to learn a lot. But then once you mix in CSS and JavaScript, that's when like it gets a lot more complicated, because there's a lot more variables you have to learn. There's a lot of like JSON files that you can send to and fro each other. Then, you know, all of these stuff. So that's why like HTML by itself, to me, it's very boring. Look at this. Like, for you to make a chat, that's it. You know, you just get the script. This is probably getting the chat, and then you just populate the main container, and then we tell what the main container does in like this whole blah, 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 blah. Look at all this code here. Like, this is what is actually going on. This is the design, right? So I have to say, like, I have little to no experience in CSS. So that's kind of where we're gonna learn that right now. I plan to learn this right now. And then JS, I hope there's not much I have to deal with, because we just kind of want to design it differently. So yeah. Anyways, that's kind of like, that's how I would explain the trio: HTML, CSS, JS. Yep. So you'll hear these 3 people talk, 3 languages talking to each other all the time. This is the base. This is like the format, design, and the brains. And then some people will say, oh, I created this website using React. I created it using Angular. Those are basically languages that are built on these 3. So like they like combine it to make it much easier for you, and you know, you don't have to like send JS information to the HTML, and then the CSS talks to the HTML. Like it gets complicated. So they just wrap all the 3 languages into one, so that it simplifies everything. But when things are more simplified, there's less customizability, and also there's like more overhead in terms of processing. So that's kind of why people don't usually like to combine a lot of these things. But I think React has been really good in combining them. So I think a lot of like industry standards now are using React as their base of building their websites and stuff. So yeah, that's a bit of information for you in the designing websites, designing web pages sort of deal. Yeah, cool. So now I don't want to completely copy this person's video because I kind of want to make my own version, but I will be walking through this video. Your brain is wrinkling. Isn't that great? Isn't that a good thing? More wrinkles means more surface area in your brain, which means more neurons, which means your brain's getting smarter. So if you're interested in web design, this is the reality of it. Unless you're a UX designer, then it's completely different. Because there's UX design and then there's like actual implementation. UX design is just like, I want this thing to do this, and then like somebody has to actually implement it. Yeah, okay, cool. So this thing, alright, this thing is pissing me off right now because I have the same problem with the other thing, which is that, okay, let's see if I can. Okay, so the problem with this thing now is that it's not getting this information. And that's the basic part? Yeah, exactly. That like I don't know the first thing about web design. Like that, like from like, this is like me collecting knowledge from like what other people tell me what this is. So that's fun. Alright, let's see if I can do something. Alright, let's save it. Alright, bye-bye chat. Okay, so now I'm hoping that if I use this, hello. See, why is this not getting this information? Rotation center widget. Okay. Typography. Fields. Okay, the fields is empty. On window, receive custom event, test message. Okay, so this is the button. Okay. On widget load, attach emotes. See, I think it's here. Like, I don't know why my thing is remove row. Okay. Let me see. Like, this person just. What, you know what? I'm just gonna go through this video and hopefully she addresses how to add the thing later on. Okay. Let me just split screen so that I can do that. Okay, so she just copied everything. So that's what I did. Custom chat. Yeah, so wait, last year, add possibility to merge consecutive messages from some users so they they added something. Okay, cool. So I copied these to here, right? Widget JSON test message. That's what's here. So test. What? Okay, it's already it's already messed up. Okay, so let's see how many points I have. I'm ranked. I have 11 fish. Let's go. Time to gamble. I mean, time to roulette. 8. No. Guys, don't do it. Don't do it. It's not good for you. It's not good for you. That's actually me trying to persuade you to do it, guys. Use the roulette. Alright, copy the CSS, copy, boom. Oh my god, you're right. You know what? You're right. How many do I have left? I have 3. Let's go. 3. Oh yeah, good dude. We're going up. We're going up. Up is our moment. 3. No. 3. Oh my god, no, I lost everything. I lost everything, guys. It's all gone. Oh my god. Wait, what happened? Wait, what happened? What happened to the roulette? The roulette didn't want to process your 77. You got a roulette band? Wait, really? Wait, could you try it again? Or like, is it really just gone? Oh my god. Oh my god, what have you done? What have you done? Yeah. Guys, why does it look like this? Okay, you know what? This image is Gonzerinos. I don't like this image. Okay. So this is what it looks like now. Save. Okay, so this... Yo, this roulette is a scam, bro. Yo, what is this? What are the rates for this, man? What are the odds? Oh. Oh, you can only do the roulette once every 60 seconds. Who the heck promoted this? I know, right? Dude, whoever promoted this is a scammer, yo. The odds are not in our favor at all. Modules. Chat roulette. Minimum amount 1. Bet. Points name in roulette. Loose message. How rigged your system should be. Yo, okay, you know what? I'm sorry, guys. I'll put it a full... I'll put it... Okay, you know what? I'll put it 55. There you go. Your odds are winning are 55 now. Okay. Okay. And I'm sorry, guys. Since you guys lost, you know what? Polar Houston. I'll give you guys some. Okay, here we go. Phobos. Wait, how much Phobos do you have? Phobos, you have 100. You have enough. All right. Let's go. Kohi. Okay, Kohi. I'll give you 10. Yeah. Alright, I have one. Okay, I'm gonna gamble now. One. Bam. Oh my god. Yo. Yo, we winning. Okay, you know what? Yeah. I'll keep the odds at 60. That's a whole 200%. Exactly. Yo, that's the whole... Okay, I'll give it at 60. You know, I don't want, I don't really want to, take all your fish. Because it's not even going to me anyways. It's, going to, the nether realm or something. But, yeah, you know... Just keep that at 60, you know. Look at that. I'm 6 on my list. Alright, I need to rearrange some of these. Okay, so this is what we're trying to work on. Yo. Okay, let's go. Why is my PogChamp a snake? Is that a snake? Why does the PogChamp look like a snake? Alright, anyways. Not my problem. I think it's time for me to gamble again, because that's what we do. I mean, with roulette again. That's what we do here. Oh my god, guys. We winning. Okay, I'll stop with this roulette segment and continue with my work. So why is my custom widget in the sky? Done. Save. Go back. Edit. Test. Okay, cool. We got it. Okay, it's at the bottom again. Wait, is this correct? Save. Where's my chat? Test. Okay. Oh, this is not the correct one. New and improved chat window. It's on the way. It's not this one. It is not this one. I'm gonna remove it. So, I mean, we can see the comparisons. This is the old one, and this will be the new one, okay? So that's what we're gonna work on right now.
We're designing.
That is so loud. I'm so sorry. That was even loud for me. Okay, we do need the display inline. Alright, add time. Thanks, Grammarly. Okay. Overflow hidden. Become visible. User box? What? It's in the user box? User box? Display inline. Okay, get rid of that. And then go here. Background color. Background color. EAE. 665. Hashed. What? Oh, I can just pick here. Let's go burly wood. Is that how it works? Semicolon? What? I can't see. Okay. Things like that. Bam. Never mind. Background color. User box. Okay, that's the color. Yeah. All right. Change the position. Position absolute. What's that do? Oh, okay. Thanks. Okay. I would say 20. Let's put 18. Is that even worse? Alright, I need this to work. 30. Okay, yeah, cool. Border radius. For px. Test. Let's do the border. I want like a really round one, so let's do 8. Is that round? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Message room. No more padding. What? I thought I moved padding. What is that? F6. Wait, what? F6? Wait, what? Fire brick. Yo, forest green. Let's go. What? Where's my forest green? F1, F6, F6, F4, F4. I got a hashtag. Can I do forest green? Forest green. Ew. Sorry. Oh my god. I need a dopamine boost. Yes! Yes! I'm getting up there. Okay. I'm catching up to you, Phobos. I just need 90. I just need 97, I think, more fish, and I'll be number 1. Should I roll a big number? Should I roll a big number? Yes! This calls for a celebration. Okay, sorry. Hey, you win 3, you lose 3. That's a net positive. At least I got a fart on my stream. You know what I should do? I should make a okay, this is gonna be like super creepy, but I should make a redeem that is like a door knocking, and then I'll think that my in real life door is knocking. I don't know if you guys have heard those, like, I don't know if you guys have heard those videos before, but like sometimes like at a period of time on YouTube, they'll just like randomly put door knocking sounds in their video, and people who are using headphones think that their actual door is knocking. Like, I swear to God, like it's kind of random, but like if you search on YouTube and like door knocking sounds, and then you just play it, and like at a random you choose like a 1-hour video or something, and then they'll just randomly play a door knocking sound at a specific point, and then you'll forget about it because you're doing other things, and then it'll just randomly play a door knocking sound, and you'll think it's in real life, and then you'd have to go back in the video to check to see if like the door knocking was from like your actual door or like from the video. I don't know why you would do that, but like that's something that people would do. I think. What do you think? Do you think that should be a redeem? Do you want that? You guys want that as a redeem? I'll have to test to see if I'll actually believe the door knocking or not. But yeah, it's so believable. Like, if you guys have never tried it, like, and you guys are like not too easily spooked, like, I suggest you guys to try it. Like, it's so weird because, like, you know, even when you know it's coming, like, it still trips you up because it's so realistic. It's not like, because it's like a certain direction of your room. So like, if I pick like the behind me on the right side, which is where my door is, then it'll play on like my right side ear headphone, and then that's like, it kind of like triggers my brain to like actually believe that. I remember I played it randomly, and the one that I played randomly was actually at the door side that I was on. I've listened to streams where the streamers had their doors knocked. You mean like their actual doors are being knocked? And it feels like your door's being knocked, right? I don't know how if the streamer's door knocking is as believable, because there's only one point of like contact, you know, like it's not like your dual ears. It's like one, it's like it plays both. Like, if it plays in both of your ears with the same intensity, then it's kind of like similar-ish. But the ones that on YouTube is like, it plays in a certain direction, you know, like the left side is like softer than the right side or something, and that one is like super believable. Like, I'm not even joking. If they're using okay, you know what, if they use 3DO, like, it's super realistic. It's so creepy. Yeah, you guys should try it. Like, you guys should really try it. All right, time for the dopamine boost. So let's go. No, I shouldn't have played the fart. Wait a minute. I can just give myself like 1,000 fish and like break the fish economy. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. It's okay. Okay, you know what? I kind of feel bad for not giving you some fish, Phobos. I'll just give you some. Do you prefer 5 or 10? Okay. You gamble 1. If you win it, I'll give you 5. And if you lose it, wait, what? If you win the gamble, like the roulette 1, I'll give you 10. It's special. It's right now only. You can do this right now. You roulette once. If you win that, I'll give you 10. If you lose that, I'll give you 5. Alright, cool. You gotta be using those points. I don't want you to stay at the top of the leaderboard, okay? I want you guys to use it, you know. You don't have to use it all at once, because I do plan to put new things in the future and stuff. So you don't have to use it all at once now, but you know, like, you know, if you know, just, yeah. It's redeem. Oh, whatever. You know what? You do you. You do you. You gotta do redeem fought. Okay, sorry. I don't know why that's still funny to me. Hey, my stream thing is working. But only for stream elements. What does that mean? Yo, I don't know. Okay, whatever. Okay. Bottom? Okay, message row bottom. Okay, let's put 20. Done. Alright. Is that's an overlap. Okay. Okay, 5. Done. Oh shoot. Custom chat X. By X. What? So what are you guys doing right now? I'm pretty sure you guys are not like 100% paying attention to my stream because I'm not really doing much right now. Okay, 5, and then test message. Okay, that's horrendous. I think. Doing some art, doing some drawing. Is it like a? Is it like a? What are those things called? Like a commission, or is it like a? Or is it like a personal thing? Personal. I can't really think right now because I'm trying to do this, but is it like a personal thing, or is it like a commission and stuff? Or is it like confidential and you can't tell me? 'Cause that's fine too. Doing some fan art for VTubers. Is there any fan art for PingTube? No, I'm just kidding. I'm joking. It's a joke. Don't call the police. Okay. Oh my god. Message row again. Radius. Border dash radius. Yeah, let's go 50 px. Oh my god, that is too rounded. Is that too rounded? That is definitely too rounded. No, it's not. It's not too rounded, right? I just need like a margin or something. Like, I just need like a margin, like a padding. Padding? Left padding, maybe? Border left, padding left. Okay, guys, we're getting somewhere. 30 px padding. And then padding right, 30px. Let's try that. Okay, okay. How's that look, guys? What's going on? Okay, this padding is not working. It's so green. It's okay. The color is changeable. I'm just trying to design my own thing. Okay. Let's see. Test message. So, okay. I think that's a bit too rounded. I have to say. So let's go with like 30. And we can't do padding to the right. So let's do that and test that. Okay, the padding is still messed up. Let's go. Excuse me. Let's go with the padding to the left of 15 and then padding to the right of 15. Okay. Let's go to nowhere. This looks so bad. Wait, what if... Okay, wait. What's a good chat message? Like, what do you guys think is a good... Like, do you guys want like a text bubble? Because the text bubble is kind of boring, right? Like, what... Okay, let's re-examine this. So, let's say this is polar, right? And we do like my milkshake brings all the yep. And then so what kind of design should we go with? You know, like kind of like a vision. So like, do you think it should be like, okay, I'll draw this at the back or at the front, I don't know. Okay, so it goes like what do you think of like that? Oh, what if I make it a seal? I don't know how I should do that. I don't know if I can do that. Make it a fish. Ooh, but I don't know how to do that. And how do I make the fin? Like, what is this, like the fin? That? So like, I don't know how to make a. I'm sorry. Like that? Or make it blow bubbles and the name is in the bubble. Okay. Wait, okay, you know what? I'm gonna leave this here. I'll just make a new layer. Oh wait, no, I put it on the same layer. Damn it. Okay. Okay, so bubble. So this is a bubble. Like another bubble. And this is like that. Like that. Like it's blowing the bubble. The bubbles. Okay, like. Okay, now we're getting to like interesting territory. Okay, you know what? Let me just make it again so that you know we have more options. Okay, so let's try. What is going on? Okay, let's try with like polar, and then let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And this my message brings all the fish to my mouth, right? Okay. So you said I could make it a bubble. That. Just a fish. Fish eye, and then I'm sorry, this fish looks horrendous. Oh my god. So now instead of you saying the text, now the text is saying your name. Role reversal. Luck is not on your side, Gohi. But it is on mine. Yeah! Oh yeah. 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 I don't know what to say, Gohi. The house always wins. I've already increased the odds to 60%. You should be winning 60% of the time. So you should try to roulette even more. Oh my god. How is this happening? So if you take the probability, right? Okay. We're on a binomial distribution, right? So if it's 6 out of 10 times 6 out of 10, wait, no, it's 4 out of 10 times 4 out of 10 times 4 out of 10, which gives you an odds of 4 times 64 out of 1,000, right? So your odds of losing 3 times in a row is 0.064. Which means that you have a 9. Wait, no. If you times 4 again, right? Then that means this is times 4, which means 64. What's 64 times 4? 2, 5, 6. Yeah, 256 over 10,000. Yep. Okay, so this would equal to this, right? Guys, this is binomial distribution. Okay, that means equals to 1. So now you take this number and then you go here and then you do 1 minus answer, which equals to 0.9 744. Alright, Kohi, this is your odds of winning the next one based on probability. Your odds of winning is this high. So you should roll a high number. Do it. Do it. Bet it all. No, okay, do not bet it all. Do not bet it all. Bet a large number because your odds of winning this one is high. Will you compensate if we lose? I'm just the math guy, so I'm just giving you confidence on your decision making. You know, like based on probability, the odds of you getting another loss is this much. So the chances of you winning, the chance of you winning is 97%. 97.4%. Yo, if you were playing Uma Musume and you had a 97% win rate on your training, like everybody does that. Everybody takes this, you know? Like even if you lose, like the chances of you losing is only 3%. Guys, trust me, the math checks out. The math checks out, guys. It tends to a normal. That's why it's called binomial distribution. Binomial distribution. Okay, if you bet 4, you'll reach 100. I'm just saying, okay? If you don't want a high number, like 4 is a good number because you reach to 100. You know that's a milestone. 3% is just a 3% chance of failure, based on the math. Unless I'm calculating the math wrong. Let me actually search that. Binomial distribution calculator. Wait. Okay, let's go. Okay, coin flip probability 0.6% winning. Number of trials. You've done 3, and the number of events you hit is 0. It checks out. Yeah, see, I'm correct. 97 point. Oh wait, no, I'm not even showing you the. Look at that. I literally calculated that. Wasn't that what I calculated? Exactly. Trust me, you have a 3% chance. You know, actually, this is not actual, like, do not follow this. This is actually false. This is just calculating the probability that this happens. The chances of you getting the probability of 0 events oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This map stings. What's the point of learning math? Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I give you some points. I'm so sorry about that. Yo, why did I even learn binomial distribution? What is the point of this? This is fake. This number is fake. All right, now you can gamble. No. You can use the 50. Use the 50, and then you can get 100. All right, go ahead. Let's do it. Okay, the possibility of you getting this one is 98%. 98%. Come on. Oh wait, it's not even 98%. It's 98.98%. Alright. I'll stop. How much points do I have? I have 11 points. Yo, let's go. Well, that was not smart. Yo, this bot is rigged. Timer? Okay. Bounce in. Alright, let's go with fade. Where can I see the list again? If you do exclamation mark store, we only have one right now, which is the font. So I think it's better used as roulette. I think you should try to use your roulette. unless you want to like randomly fart in my stream. Okay. Go he. Have some decency. Have some decency. This stream is like window shopping. What? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know, right? I have 0. I'm like last on my list now. This is the worst. Okay, let me try to actually just delete my stream chat. Alright, let me make sure everything's working. Okay, don't want that. Okay, and then boom. Okay. Is someone test message? Cool, okay. Let me try to actually delete the stream chat. I'm sorry, stream chat's gone. Has gone. Copy that overlay. Alerts. Oh, Kohi, actually something that we did talk about when your internet went down was that I might want to add like a I might want to add like a door knocking redeem. I think it'll be pretty interesting ad. So like, you know, if you redeem it, then like a door knocking sound would play, and it would play even in my headphones. So that'll be interesting. It's kind of creepy because like it's quite realistic if you like imagine playing horror exactly. Now I'm never gonna schedule any horror cuz I'm just kidding. I'll disable it. No, I won't disable it. Yeah. All right. Let's see if this works. Not that one. No horror. No. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I would have to look into what Spooky Month. Yeah, exactly. Spooky Month's gone. I have to play like some Christmas game or something. Like I don't actually know any Christmas games. You only play Uma Musume through Roblox. Wait, what? There's a Roblox version of Uma Musume? Wait, sorry. There's a, yeah. Like they made the entire Uma Musume in Roblox. That's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. But you're the one who raced. Wait, what? Then how about the stats? Like, does the stats come from from the Uma? Oh, okay. Okay. Horse Plinko? What is that? Am I even saying that right? Okay. Chat in real time. GitHub. Chat. Chat. I don't know if it's the same one Kohi plays, but it's like a pachinko, and you can use your money to gamble on horses. No, but Kohi's one is you're the one who race, so you're the one who's like running around the lap. Wait, there's like horse racing games in Roblox. Gotta teach them while they're young, I guess. Children's game? Exactly. I know, right? Like, literally, there's like a Valorant Roblox. There's a CSGO Roblox. I recently saw a video actually of like, there's like a pro CSGO Roblox team, and they went and they played against like FaZe Clan. Like FaZe Clan made a video that they played a Roblox CSGO against, yeah, exactly, against the pros. And I think they won. Like the Roblox team won. It's crazy. Is crazy. Yeah. But so dedicated to Roblox of all things. You know, it's. I mean, I'm not like trying to throw shade on Roblox, but you know, it's kind of like the physics there is so. Yeah. Yeah. It's. Wait, does it play like the the oof sound when you die in the CS:GO game? But I would say like, because I played like Roblox a lot like a few years ago. Like since then, like I watched that video and like it looks very realistic. Like it looks better than what I saw like many years ago. I used to only see like the base model of like the circular head and like the arms are like square, like everything is square. Like now it's like now they have like body shape and stuff. Random video. Some games on Roblox doesn't even look like. Yeah, exactly. It's crazy. Like some of them look really good. Like I was surprised that like that game's even from Roblox. I don't know how to do it. Like it's like the base engine is still the same, but like they just add like so much more things to it to the point where like you can't even recognize it anymore. Okay, so I have these now. So I have this, but now my new problem is that I don't know how to connect it to my actual chat. Unless it's like some like I have to connect it to Twitch or something. Yeah, let me just close the browser real quick. Pretties. I don't know if you've played it, but have you played like the whole? Have you played like Have you played the boat simulator game? The one where like people are not even building boats anymore, they're just building like mechs. Yeah, build a boat. Yeah, that one. Chatbot overlays. Not a single boat on site, exactly. They're just coming up with like literal vehicles just to like I don't know. Like I was watching a video of somebody who like you start off with like 30 blocks to build your boat, and then suddenly like I see online in the videos people have, and they have like 10,000 blocks, and I'm like, how did they even get so much money? Redstone and Joyverse. Yo, I can say that I'm a redstone enjoyer. Like I love, I can do the redstone stuff. You know, like, well, not like the, like I can't do like the whole like 4x4 piston stuff. Like piston doors. Like piston doors to me are like, that's too much for me. Quasi connectors, I don't know what that is. Don't know that number, you know. But you know, like the basic like connecting and like wiring things to use like normal pistons. Like I enjoy like some of that because it kind of like automates some parts of your Minecraft world. Yeah. I don't even know what repeaters are. All right, next stream, future stream, explain redstone. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, let's see. Settings. Ignored users. Stream elements is an ignored user. Interesting. Redstone study. I think your the bigger question is comparators. Like those are like I understand it conceptually, but like how to apply it, I have no idea. You know. Typography. Ignores users. So you have 1-6 fish. Let's go! You did it! You won! I think now it's time for you to gamble that 63. Gotta go all in, you know, like imagine the adrenaline. Imagine the adrenaline. It fuels you. The dopamine rush of pressing enter when you put roulette 63. I'll go crazy. Okay, this is not working. I don't know why it's not working. It only wants. It's only getting the bot data for some reason. Like I don't know why. How long is the cooldown? It's 1 minute. You know, you know what? Yeah, you know what? I should not make it 1 minute. Yeah, you're right. You know, we gotta make you. We gotta make it so that it's the most seamless experience for you to use all of it at once. Yeah, let's go. I did it. No. No. Well, you win some, you lose a lot. This is what people say. So this only adds messages. Where's the ignored users? Ignored. Oh, it's because, okay, you know what? Sure. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again, and you'll get back your momentum. You gotta work for it. You know. Name 10. Yeah. Yes. You're doing it. Now do 3. $30. Oh my god. Yo. Yo. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe you should take a break. You know, like rest those gambling. I mean, rest those roulette fingers. Now it's time to coerce Phobos to do some roulette. Come on, Phobos. You can do it. You can do it. Do I actually don't know how much points you have. Yeah, go big. Go big. Go. Do another 30. You'll never. Come on. Come on. What if okay, if you do it, I will reduce the price of the fart redeem to 2. Sounds tempting. Sounds tempting, doesn't it? It's a 33% discount. What? Yo. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, this is rigged. This is rigged. This is rigged. Nah, it's because Phobos used the power of 6-7. 6-7's too powerful. Okay. I'm a man of my words. I will reduce the price of the fish. I reduce the price of the fish. Okay, there you go. 2 fish. Okay. 4 gets. Yes. The fish economy is. Oh no, 37. Oh my god. Yo, you can't make this up. You can't make this up. Oh my god. This is horrendous. This is horrendous. Yo, I need to find a way. Cheer bonus. You know, like, maybe I don't know if you can do anything, but maybe gamble is not for me. Yes, you know what, Kohi, that is a good takeaway. You know, if there was one takeaway to my streams, is that do not gamble. I do not recommend it at all. Okay, you know what? You know what? I'll do a new project, okay? I'll do a new thing for the future. I'll try to make okay, if I figure out how to do WebSocket stuff, one of my goals would be to make chatting give fish. So maybe like I don't know, to encourage you guys to chat and stuff. Maybe if you chat more and stuff, and I'll give you some fish. You know, yeah. I think that's a good addition, but I don't know why they don't do that here. That's so weird. Maybe there is. Chat alerts, bingo raffle, emote pyramids, GG duel, 8-ball slot machine, emote combos. Maybe I'll have like a counter. Yeah. Okay, I'll try to set something up. How do I earn fish again? Well, currently the only way for you to earn fish is to just be in the chat. Even if you're AFK in the chat, you will still get fish. But I'll try to make a way for you to like if you interact and chat and like talk in chat, then give like award you some points. You know. I think that's a good addition, but I'm not like I'll have to look into how to do that too because I'm not familiar with stream elements, chat number. No, that doesn't work. Like I'll need to find a way because I don't know if I want to make it so that each chat gives you one fish because I think that's like I don't know if that's overinflating things because one fish for one chat. I don't know if that sounds a lot or not. We'll see. Because the only thing you can do now is really just rouletting and fart noises. Oh, sorry. Oh my god, this game is rigged. Only Phobos can win this game. By the way, while I'm just going through my stuff, yeah, something I wanted to. You are at the house now. One. Hey, Kohi, you have one. You have one. You can do it. You can do it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Oh my god, this is rigged. Okay. Yo, this is rigged, yo. This is actually rigged. Like, how is this even possible? How is this? This is crazy. You know what? Okay. You know what? I feel bad. I'm gonna roulette all my 4. Yeah. I'm sorry. Yeah. Yeah, I have to see the history. I need to see the history. I think you've only won like once or twice, Kohi. That's actually insane. Okay, so I'm suspecting that this might not be giving me the text or something, or I can just search it actually. Why isn't stream elements custom widget only bots, no users? Is that helping everything? Wait, let me just try to test. Yeah, it doesn't work. Yes. Hate gacha. Do not actually spend money on gacha. Do not. I repeat. That's not a good. That's not a good. Do not adopt that lifestyle. Oh my god, I did it again. Yo, this is crazy. Yeah. Wait, can I give you? Is there a way to like trade fish in the chat? Is there a way I can like give? Transfer. Oh, okay. how do I use it? Okay, there you go. There you go. Go crazy. Or don't. Or don't. I don't know. Custom widget. You know what? Can we give points to or just you? I think everyone can give points. I think you can give points to other people. But maybe we should not enable. Let's not enable this behavior, guys. Let's not enable this, like, you know, lose all and then people give you, you know, like, I don't think that should. No, Phobos, what have you done? No, all of the fridge is gonna go away. Oh my god. Go, he's getting up there. Go, he's getting up there. By the way, for my next stream, I think it's gonna be on the Friday, which is the Spiral Nights stream. That one, yeah, I just wanted to say, like, if you want to join, it is something you have to download. So, just to let you know, you have to download it, and I'll probably spend, like, I don't know how much time I'll spend, but there is like a character creation part. I don't usually spend too much time on character creation, but I think it'll take around like 30 minutes. So if like you guys are interested in that part, but I'll probably like start playing like the story and like going through the game, like maybe like 30 minutes to an hour into the stream. Where do we download it? Let me search it. I think you can just access it from Steam, or you can download like the official Spiral Nights you can like go to their website and download it manually from their website, or if you want, I'm pretty sure it's also available on Steam. And I think it's actually better to be on, yep, I'll add it to the Discord. You can, if you download it on Steam, they actually have a DLC on, yeah, they have like a Guardian's armor pack for Steam. I think this is a Steam only thing, I don't know actually, but yeah, if you're interested to like play an expansion. I actually have never played this expansion, but yeah, if you guys want to see what the game looks like, I don't know if you guys have seen it, but it's like a dungeon crawler game, and it's a QTE. Wait, is it QTE? Oh, this is loud. But yeah, you just basically fight monsters with a bunch of people, and then you like go through like all the levels and stuff. It's pretty fun, I have to say. And yeah, I'm excited to play with y'all. You know, if this thing will be an open party, so if you guys are like not comfortable with like playing with other people, also in the then I could set the party private. Yeah, I don't know. I'll see. But yeah, this is the game. Yeah, it's really cute too. Like I kind of like the graphics. It's a kind of like it's kind of like not that like realistic, you know, but like it's tapping into that like, you know, cute and like visually appealing side of the game. Yeah. And to me, I would say like it's very replayable, you know, like it's like no one experience is the same when you play this game. But yeah, so you can download it, and then yeah. But just a warning, if just a warning that this game has not been updating for like about 10 years. Okay, so like I'm pretty sure 10 years ago the content is exactly the same as now. Yeah, I've played it before, but I will be starting a new character, so a new account. Yeah, it kept like its like event, like yearly events, like their Dark Harvest festival here. But are you a retro streamer? Not really. No. I'm I played most games in like 2010s ish. I think that's kind of where my element of games are. I did actually talk about the streams that kind of defined me in an earlier stream, because it was like a Twitter trend. You play a lot of older games. Yeah, I do, but it's yeah, I do. I don't know what to say actually, because I do. We should play mobile games too. You know, you know what we could all play? We could all play Roblox. That's like I'm pretty sure that's a mobile game. You can play that on mobile. But I'm not like, I think that's a good game because I can stream it from my computer, but it's also like a game you can play on your phone. Yeah. I play old games. Yeah. I mean, you know, like the new games. What's considered a new game? Like Silk Song. Like the newer games. Like I do want to play them, but you know, we'll see. Like we'll see if like a new up and coming game is kind of like interesting, because I'm still like going through my backlog of games, because like the game I played, like the Talos Principle one, like that one is like sitting in my library for quite a while now, you know. So that's kind of why I wanted to play it, because if I keep playing the new games, then my backlog is just gonna increasingly increase, you know. Not mainstream. That's true. That is true. What's considered a mainstream game? Would you like to see me play let's see. Would you like to see me play League of Legends and Valorant? Because I can play those. I can stream those. Those are games that I can stream. League of Legends? Of course I can stream that. Minecraft? I think Minecraft is kind of timeless. You know? I think Minecraft, it's like even older than Spiral Knights, but you know, it's pretty, it's still pretty relevant now. League of Legends? Sure. I can play League of Legends. I can play it very well with my bronze. No, I don't actually know my rank, because I usually just play. I'll watch Box and Bunny Fufu. Okay, I'll show you my Thresh. I'll show you my Thresh skills, my Thresh hooks. Those I can do those. Q. You throw a Q, hook somebody, and then yeah. I mainly actually play Nautilus. I feel like Nautilus, it has less style points, but it's like it has so much more utility than Thresh. Does Bunny Fufu still play League, or is he like done with that? Because I know he played it like years ago, but then I stopped watching him. Is he still playing? Is he still playing League? Is he still streaming League? He's still. Oh my gosh, is he still playing Thresh? Like, how much content can you squeeze out of? But not that good content. Oh, yeah. Yo, I used to be able to do his bunny combo, which is the one where you hook flash, lantern. Wait, you hook the enemy, then you flash backwards, then you lantern for your ADC, and then you Q, and then it becomes like a super long transport. Yeah, I could do that, but then I stopped doing that move because I just kept wasting my flash, and my ADC just did not want to take the lantern, or like they're not fast enough to take the lantern. I forgot what he called it. It was like a bunny hop or something. Like he called it like a bunny hop. But if you knew who the real OG was, you would know Mad Life. Have you ever watched Mad Life play? His Thresh was so insane for its time. League solo queue is cry. Yeah, I mean, it is really as like League, especially if you're playing support and like your ADC is like a random person, like it's really hard to like mesh well with them. I played LoL back in the day when it was on Garena. Why didn't you migrate to the main? Didn't they make like a Philippines and a Singapore and a wait, was it a Philippines, Singapore and Thailand server? Like I remember they like split Southeast Asia into like 3 different things. And then like there was not enough player base and then they combined it or something. At least that's what I know about the, because it used to be on Garena. Like Garena like got rights to show to host servers for League, and then after that Riot decided to take League back from them. I stopped for some reason. Oh, okay. Well, I have to give you some bad news because if you stopped and you didn't migrate your account from Garena to the main league, your account's gone. Diamond. Okay. Yeah, I'm nowhere near that. If you watch me play League, it's gonna be some like boosted gameplay. I'm just gonna play like some mage supports and just like not care about my ADC. Yeah. What lane did you play in? Was it like was it mid, top, jungle, support, ADC? Or what is your main? Like what is your favorite? What's your favorite champ? Jungler. Ooh, okay. Well, I have to say jungle has changed a lot since like jungle has changed a lot for the past few years. I play mid champs on ADCs. Please tell me when you say mid champs, you mean like mages and not like assassins, because assassins is like the pet thing came back. Yeah, it did, and now there's like now Baron is 25 minutes and not 20 minutes, and then they've added like Atakan, which is a new like main like a jungle objective for you to get at 20 minutes, and then they also add like the Rift Herald, and then they also added like the grubs, and like the jungler has to like get all of those, well not all of those, and then they added like feats. So yeah, junglers are like getting even more complicated. Like if you used to like power farm, like that's not even encouraged anymore or something. Okay, so I think the problem is in the JS. Okay. Message received. Okay. Test message. No, not the test message. Delete message. Message. If. Yeah, no, I play assassins. You play assassins as ADCs? What's a good ADC for... what's a good assassin ADC? Like, the only one I can think of is, like, Yasuo or something. Like, the ones that can produce, like, consistent damage. Or is Yasuo considered a bruiser? Zed. Kasadin. Oh. Oh my gosh. We're getting into dangerous territory here, guys. I play Akshan, but no good reason to play bot, to be honest. Akshan. So... I mean... what's a good reason to play Akshan as a bot lane? Swinging around the corner? Yeah. That's fair. But isn't it easier to play him as mid? Because like you know, you don't have to like deal with the whole like support like poking you and stuff. I just saw the #1 action earlier. Isn't that Chen Chen? Are you talking about Chen Chen? The... oh my god, yeah. Yeah, I've seen that play. Yeah, Akshan is pretty broken. I think Akshan is like the most broken. Like for solo queue, I think Akshan is like super broken. Test. Nope. Oh, test. There is a test. Test. Here it is. Like Akshan is... his revive is like... is something else. Okay, this is kind of... I don't know how this works, guys. I have no idea how this works. I'm sorry. This makes no sense. Okay, you know, let's stop talking about League before we all get like the urge to play League again for some reason. I feel like Kohi has like escaped League. So I don't think we should, you know, like drag them back into the depths. All right. I'm just gonna keep it. Okay, I'll just keep it like this for now because I want both of the streams chats to be captured, the stream elements and this thing. Go survive League rehab and something. Yes, you know what? Let's let's kind of stop on the league talk before, you know, we like dive back in, and then we all like play like trio queues into the league, and then we completely flame each other. I should play the mobile version. Oh, you play Wild Rift now? Do you play Wild Rift, or do you play like there's like other MOBAs, right? There's like what is it called? Mobile Legends, Bang Bang, and also Honor of Kings. Like those are the two that I know. Yeah, Wild Rift. I heard Wild Rift is I hear good things about Wild Rift sometimes. Like the whole like their skins are better than the actual game or something. It's wild. It's wild how a mobile game of the same franchise has better skins than the actual franchise. They do? Yeah. You know, I feel like League has like a lot of time commitment. But you find it more easier. Yeah. I think so too. But I do feel like the mechanics of like the combos you can do is harder to pull off. Like I remember trying to play Zed in Wild Rift. It was, I would say it's easier than playing than playing like the actual PC version, but it doesn't feel as rewarding, you know? It's like if you just click the skill and then it like kind of auto aims on the character, like to me that kind of like it, to me at least, it takes away a bit of the feeling of playing League. Like imagine like playing Thresh or like playing any skill shot champion, and like, you know, your ability to aim is like you still need it, but like, you know, you don't need it that much. I don't know. At least that's what I think. Okay, so this. Okay, if I don't figure this out in the next, I don't know. I don't actually know. My frames are dropping. Wait, guys, is my stream okay, or is it dying? Cause it says I'm 0 kilobytes per second right now. Is my stream dead? My stream's dead. No. Hello? 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 Am I okay? Oh, I've made like a whole chain of things. All right. I'm sorry about that. My like kbps was like dropping faster than anything. Like it went from like 6,000 kbps to like 0, and it died again. Yep. Actually, you know what? I might actually call it here. I'm sorry for this abrupt ending. I actually wanted to just do one more thing, which is like figure this out before I stopped. But it seems like the internet gods of our world has not want me to do that. So yeah, I think I might end it here for today. The chat is still broken. I think I would fix that off stream. I'm sorry. It's I feel like it's just like a one singular more change kind of thing. So it's not that interesting. It's just that I can't figure out this problem now. So, you know, it's, what can you do? I'll probably update you guys on what the problem was, but I'll tell you the current problem now is that I can't combine like these two chats together. You see the bots are on the left and like the user chats on the right, and I typically want all of the chats to look like the one on the left, where you know you have like the bevels and like your name on top, and then like the thing at the bottom with no no like background, like with like the text background but no like hard static background. Yeah, I'm so sorry about the stream dying and stuff. You gotta gamble. All right, okay, let me check how much points I have. Okay, I have 12. Okay, cool. I will do, okay, let me do it first. I'll do this. Yo, this is rigged. This is rigged. I'm so sorry. Yo, this is literally rigged. Yo, this is so sad. This is so sad. This is really so sad. Farts in the chats, guys. Farts in the chats. Okay. Yeah. Thank you again, guys, for coming. As always, Wacko Wednesdays it's really hard to juggle chatting with you all and also like trying to figure things out. I'm sorry that I didn't make a lot of progress as usual, but I did enjoy studying some HTML, CSS, JavaScript stuff, and yeah, I hope to see you in the next one. It's gonna be Spiral Nights. I'm really excited about that one. I'm excited to play with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it because I do want to play more of it. And yeah, like give me some feedback if you guys are interested to see any of the games I've played in the past, or like, you know, if you guys have any game suggestions in the future you want me to see, especially horror games, because I'm not too well versed in that category either. So if you guys wanted to suggest some games, just let me know in the Discord. The link for the Discord is in my description now, and it should be a permanent link, but it's not, so I'll have to update that. But I will update that after the stream. So in the future, if you guys need to, you know, invite people, or like if people came in, like the Discord link would be the permanent one. Yep. All right, thank you all for coming to the stream. I don't have an end, like a nice end card. Okay, I'll just go back to my paint. Yep. Okay, this is my end card now. Yep, the stream about me trying to fix my stream setup has ended it like this. This is the best stream setup you can get. Yep, chat overlay across the entire space, and my window sizing is still okay. All right, I'm gonna call it a night here. I hope you guys have a good morning, afternoon, evening. I'll see you all on Friday for the Spiral Nights. All right, thank you. See ya.